Here is how Apple tricks some users into updating iOS on their iPhone or their iPad. Many users don't like surprise updates, so on their iPhone or their iPad they have automatic updates turned off. And they do this by going to Settings, General, Software Update, Automatic Updates, and making sure that the automatically install options are turned off. Most iPhone and iPad users unlock their device using Face ID or Touch ID, but every few days they get a message like this one that says, "Enter passcode. Your passcode is required to enable Face ID." So they enter their passcode. But also every once in a while there is another message like this one. Enter passcode to update tonight. Because this other screen looks similar to the other one, some users don't read it and just assume that it's asking for their passcode to enable Face ID or Touch ID. They don't realize that they need to tap on Remind Me Later instead of entering their passcode, or their device will be updated to the latest iOS version that night. So the lesson is, don't quickly enter your passcode without carefully reading all the words on the screen first.